Hello, Chef here. So today I've got a cleansing diet recipe for you here. Got some mesclun greens. Oh yeah, these are beautiful. These are beautiful, beautiful greens here. Got a mixture of all kinds of baby lettuces. I'm going to give them a real quick chop using a ceramic knife here, by the way. Just want to get them about bite size, a little bit smaller, more manageable, and they're going to be easier for the customer to eat. So just like this, once you got them chopped up and they're looking good, you want to put them on the plate. Oh yeah, look at those greens. Nice. I'm going to add this organic tomato here. Really, really nice. And just small wedges like this. Okay. All right. And I've got some chicken breast. This has been grilled, marinated chicken breast. Quick slice like this. Other ingredient I've got is some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Serving this today with a homemade mustard vinaigrette. Oh yeah, that's going to be nice. As well as sea salt. Gotta have your sea salt. Peppercorn blend. And a dash of truffle oil. Just a little bit. Okay, that's going to be good. Just wanted to share this with you. This is a very healthy salad. Basically a cleansing salad. So clean you right out. Very, very good for you. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Have a beautiful day. Extra thick maple edge grain. End grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.